Greetings Union Church family. I'm Mark Cabral, Chair of the Nominations Committee. Each year, our committee has the privilege of seeking out and recommending new leaders who will help guide our church forward. We are 7 members strong, elected by you during the annual members meeting. And together, we prayerfully discern who might be called to serve. Let me introduce the team to you.
Hello, I'm Rebecca Lewin. I've been a member of UCM since 2008, and my husband and I have raised our family here. It's really my blessing to serve on the Nominations Committee, and I'm also serving on the core team of Kingdom Women.
Hi, I'm Ray Cordova. I serve as usher for the second service.
Hi, my name is Louise Hubert. I serve on the Nomination Committee as well as Kingdom Women.
Hi, I'm Rico Del Rosario, and I volunteer as a Sunday school teacher for UCM's Kingdom Kids Ministry.
Hi, I'm Richie. I'm a former council member.
Hi, I'm Giovanni Jose, a Sunday school teacher and currently leading an SDG at UCM.
Leadership in the church is not just about filling roles. It's about answering God's call to serve. And this is where you come in, as members and congregants. We invite you to think, pray, and nominate individuals who have the heart, the gifts, and willingness to serve our community.
Submitting a nomination is simple. Just fill out Form A, which is available on the UCM website. You can print it and email it to nominations@unionchurch.ph, or you can fill out an online form, which is also on the website.
Once we receive your nomination form, we'll connect with the nominee you've recommended and set up a meeting. This is an opportunity where we can learn, listen, and discern together.
Through prayer and conversation, we seek God's guidance on how each nominee might fit into the council slate for the coming year.
Are you curious what it's like to serve on the council? You may visit the UCM website to watch stories of past and present leaders. And you may even request to sit as an observer at the council meeting.
So, if someone comes to mind, pause and pray, ask the Lord for guidance, speak with that person, and if they are willing, send in your nomination.
We're excited to hear from you. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to any of us, or you can email us at nominations@unionchurch.ph.
On behalf of the Nominations Committee, thank you for your prayers, your participation, and your support. Together, let's continue to build God's church. God bless you all.